Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is September 23rd, 2024. Here is another daily analysis. All right, so market just had an uptick today, and today we just got a new closing all-time high. S&P 500 closed above 5,700, which is kind of like a new record. And right now we are kind of like getting a bullish consolidation here for a potential final push. Probably next 2 days, we're going to see S&P 500 is heading maximum to 5,800. So that's the level that they have. But but we will see how it goes. So right now, market is just getting to this period of risk that I'm kind of like a concerning about the reversal. So right now, market have a nice momentum to the upside. We will give market benefit of doubt. However, stochastic momentum, you're just getting into upsides as you see here in an overbought condition. We are kind of like laying over. Nice divergence though in RSI and MACD at the same time with the higher highs, while we have a lower high in MACD and RSI. So S&P will give market benefit of that for now. So this is a bullish consolidation, bullish pattern. There's nothing wrong with it. We may see another final push to 5,800 and we will see how it goes afterwards. Moving on to Nasdaq, obviously I was kind of like a right for the first leg to the upside, but not for the second so far. Probably it's going to stretch just a later. We see some kind of like a nice bullish consolidation here as well for the Nasdaq. So this bullish consolidation can end up to another a potential upside move to 20,000. However, Nasdaq is not close to new all-time high. So we may see S&P 500 is getting far away from new all-time high, while Nasdaq is just getting to the double top here. Again, we are getting to the October time, which is going to be a volatile and a dangerous zone for the market as well. So right now, market had a nice move to the upside. We should just bring this cycle up, a potential here to this area, and we'll see after that. Moving on to US 30, which is Dow just hitting new all-time high today as well. Nice closing, a new all-time high for the weekly and daily chart. Let me just go to the daily chart here. So daily chart, we just got a new all-time high. And right now, we are kind of like forming exhaustive bullish consolidation. It's not the way that we want to see all doji bars here. And if we get another final push to 42, potentially 200 to 300, then we can see some kind of like a danger zone is coming afterwards. Again, the same kind of like a scenario. We are seeing a divergence in MACD and RSI. Stochastic is getting to the overbought condition. It takes time probably to roll over, but it's pretty close, I should say. It is very close based on the other indicators that they have. It is close to the rollover to the downside. Moving on to gold, which had a nice uptick today as well, a new all-time high for gold. Let me just go to the daily chart here. So daily chart, you're expecting this is going to be the reversal area, and gold is just heading to 2640, which is a new record, and 26 to 2700, as I said, it's going to be a nice reversal area. We'll see if this area works or not. Right now, precious metals are doing very well. Silver had positive day as well, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, negative, just that touching this neckline, but bullish consolidation though. Momentum is getting down for the silver. Stochastic is just getting down. RSI, not a bad price action. MACD though, we have a divergence here. So it's kind of like a mixed signal with indicators. This pattern is not that bad. So we just broke above this neckline. We are consolidating above it. So consolidation means more higher price is coming down the road. Potentially, we are getting to this double top here, somewhere around 32, 30 to 32.50 as well. Crude just coming down today, just a doji bar. After this rally, we may see a corrective move, potentially to 69 to 60. 8 maximum, then we can see another push higher. If we stay here above 70, that would be kind of like a nice scenario. Right now, we are forming a bullish consolidation, not a bad session. If we get above 72, then 74 is coming. and 74 consolidation for final rally all the way up, actually breakout, not a final rally, a breakout to the upside. And as I said in my inflation video and also commodity videos as well, crude and energy is kind of like a bottom. So this is, I would say this is going to be a good scenario for buy if you ask me. Moving on to individual names, starting with uh, Bitcoin. Let me go to Bitcoin here. Bitcoin, bullish consolidation, not a bad session at all. So if you ask me, money is coming in two different sectors, energy and crypto. So those ones are going to be outperformer, I would say, down the road for the next few months. We are seeing money is coming out of technology and it's just reinvesting in some beta names like Bitcoin, I should say. Ethereum actually did very well today as well. It's just going higher. And also energy market as well. Ethereum, the same pattern. It's kind of like a laggard, but if Ethereum wakes up, I would say 3,000 above could tackle to 36 to 3,700 down the road. Bond yield are coming down today as well. So bond yield is consolidating here. This is, I would say, just a rest before the next spike down to 3% or even lower than 3%. That's going to be harsh scenario. That kind of be a recessionary scenario, but bond yield is down today as well. Treasuries after gap down, just the spiking higher as well. So the entire session actually was not bad for treasuries. I believe the correction is over. And I believe for those ones who want to add to their positions, this is not going to be a bad area for buy. VIX coming down today 1.61% to the downside, forming a bottom for a next spike. Dixie just uptick today, 44, actually 4 cents up. Not a bad session. However, Dixie is just this is defending on the last trench because if this one goes below this, I would say this pivot doesn't help and it can go to 97 to 99. Magma indicator, uptick today, not a bad session, just 11 cents up. Technology was mixed today. So Apple just went down $1.73 down after hitting this important resistance area here around 230. That is important level. If Apple goes down and take out this pivot, it can go all the way down to 198. We'll see how it goes. Amazon, a nice pattern today, just going up, $2.24 up. Not a bad session, Amazon. Amazon can hit new all-time high if you ask me. If momentum continues, Meta hits new all-time high and reversing down. Momentum is kind of like a shifting. So that's what I'm saying. Lots of people are saying this is going to be the final push. This is going to be the final push. And then this is going to be the final push. But you see that money is coming from one stock to another, sector to another. So this is kind of like at the end of the rally, you will see that. Microsoft is coming down to the $1.76 down. Google $1 down, $1.74 down. Netflix was up, and the only reason Nasdaq was positive, I believe, one of the actually only reason, Tesla, 4.93% to the upside. Great move for Tesla. Not a bad session at all. Tesla ripping up to 250. This goes against my analysis, which I have to raise my hand and say, hey, guys, I thought that Tesla is going down. But exactly at this level, Tesla just backtest and going higher. So I'm going to give myself cross on this one and not a check, and we'll see how it goes. Semiconductor index still SMH, a doji bar here. Hold up for now. Stocks the same pattern here, 87 cents up. But you see that when semis are weak, you shouldn't bet on Nasdaq. So that's the bottom line. Taiwan Semiconductor, the same, 68 cents up. Not a bad session. AMD, just struggling and consolidating prior this resistance. It may see another push higher, though, to 167 to 170. But that's going to be the final push, if you ask me. There are lots of resistance here. Gap is here. Wide range bar, two wide range bar actually at the same time. NVIDIA, bullish consolidation here. NVIDIA, not a bad pattern though. If NVIDIA, this bullish consolidation forms to the upside, 128 could be a possible scenario. Remember, last time bullish consolidation fails. So we will see how it goes with this NVIDIA. Texas Instrument, 55 cents up, not a bad session. Lam Research actually surging up a little bit, $10 up, not a bad session at all. XLF, Financial Spider, just like getting back down after hitting kind of like a new all-time high or double top. If it goes below this 43.42, then it's going to be an M pattern. KBE, the same pattern though, coming down 51 cents down. And sorry, is at a KRE 84 cents down. JP Morgan 35 cents up. JP Morgan is not leading anymore. So that's the problematic, I would say. And when you see JP Morgan is not leading, there is something wrong with banking sector. Goldman Sachs, $1.02 down. Bank of America reversing to the downside. This one is lagging as well. And Wells Fargo, $1.18 down. So Wells Fargo is down. And I would say banks are lagging. Gold miners, they are reversing down today. They didn't go up. GDXJ, the same pattern though, going down. AEM, 52 cents down. They are actually forming a topping formation, if you ask me. Newmont, 1 cent up, but look at the mother of topping tail here. So when it goes to the higher high, suddenly bears are taking control and smash the price down. Franco-Nevada going down, 128. Gold Barrick actually goes down as well, 17 cents down. So I know this looks like a bullish consolidation, but if it goes down below this pivot, $18.96 down, then this one goes to this gap here. So it's going to be kind of like a scary scenario for gold miners, at least for now, because they could see their top here. Moving on to Energy Spider, XLE 36 cents up. Good price action though here. Energy can go higher, I believe. This is kind of like a short-term resistance here, somewhere around 89, 90. We will see how it goes. XOP, Oil and Gas Exploration ETF, 33 cents up. OH, $2.42 up. This happens when crude was negative today, guys. So that's what I'm saying. Potentially, we may see energy market actually form the bottom. Exxon, $2.09 up. Great move for Exxon. And Chevron, $1.86 up. Great move for Chevron here as well. So I would say this one can go hit to this 150 area as a kind of like resistance here. A pullback could be a good buying opportunity as well. All right, folks. I believe I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.